Hi guys, welcome back to SA Kicks and Reviews. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the 5-in-1 Beauty Care Massager. Now this massager cleans and exfoliates your face. It cleans away dead skin cells. It massages and restores blood flow to your face. These are the 5 attachment heads that comes in the kit. And you'll see on the side of the box, each head has information as to what they're used for and what benefit they provide to your face. On the other side of the box, there's more information on the kit. We're going to run through the 5 attachment heads in this kit as well. So inside the box, you have your kit, which is your device with its 5 attachments. You have your instruction manual. Very useful, very important, guys. Please go through this manual to get maximum functionality out of your facial massaging kit. If you like this video and you want to see more product reviews, hit that subscribe button and stay connected. Now, as you can see, this is the kit, guys. There's your 5 attachment heads. And you can see on my extreme right, I have 2 batteries, AA batteries. This kit does use batteries. So we're going to take the 5 attachment heads out. We're going to place them down and we're going to go through each one of them to get a better understanding what they're used for and what exactly they do. So these are the 5 heads. We're going to reference it on the box where all the information is. Alright, so we can see the first one, and that is a crude polish accessory to rip through tough skin. The second one is a makeup sponge that's to massage and clean your skin. That's the makeup sponge there. The third one is a latex soft sponge for eye and cheek massaging. That is your facial massager for better blood circulation. And lastly, we have the soft brush to clear up scuff and clinges on your skin. So that's your 5 attachment heads. This is the device. It has 2 settings on it. As you can see, the switch. You can set it on low or on high. It is battery operated, guys, so we're going to put in some batteries. And as you can see, it uses 2 AA batteries. I'd recommend using new good quality batteries to get maximum power from this facial cleaner kit, guys. So we're going to put in 2 good quality Duracell batteries. And as you can see, it does go on low and high, and now it's off, low and high. Maximum power with new batteries is essential. Now as you can see, we've fitted on the makeup sponge, and now you can see it spinning. Next is the soft brush. Next is the crude polish accessory tip. And as I said, this is to rip through tough skin, clear away those dead skin cells. You can see I'm maneuvering the lever on low and high, depending on how you prefer it. Next is the latex soft sponge. And I did mention this is for eye and cheeks, low or high depending on you. And lastly, we have the rolling massager, and this I did mention is for better blood circulation to your face. and I guess that's the best attachment out of all, guys. The facial massager feels very good. This is a very excellent kit. I definitely recommend this kit, guys, for facial cleansing, exfoliation, as well as removing those dead skin cells, restoring blood flow to your face. So it's very important, and it's a very cool kit to have.